You guys like steaks? Like sandwiches? Let's make some steak sandwiches. I was at my butcher the other day and they had these packaged steak sandwiches, meat sitting there, and it looked good. So I said, you know what, let's do it. But I'm gonna take it up a level. I've got some great ingredients here that we're gonna prep real quick and then build these things. And honestly, who doesn't like mushrooms and onions on your steak or steak sandwich? So we're gonna take these guys. Yes, they like to run away. We're gonna take these guys, prep them. I'm gonna just show you real quick. All we're gonna do to these guys, half sliced like that. Same thing, we're gonna dice up the onion nice and small and get them frying up. We're gonna use real butter. Why not? We're not skimping. And we're just gonna throw everything in at the same time. There's no point to do one or the other first. And we're gonna let this go and saute this off. And I might as well season this now, so I'm gonna add some salt. And like I mentioned, we want to put as much flavor into everything as we can, so I got some local beer here. And we're gonna add that to this. Ooh. And one more thing, I'm using some of my smoked garlic. I had some inspiration hit me, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this and some of the smoked paprika. You gotta use those spices. This is gonna taste fantastic. And these guys are done, smelling great. They look fantastic. We're gonna get them off the heat and then on to the next thing. And yesterday I was thinking what's gonna go well with this. So what I did, I smoked some red peppers, onions, and garlic. And we're gonna turn that into a beautiful smoked red pepper sauce. A little bit of olive oil. We are gonna season it a bit here. Definitely some salt. I'm gonna add some white pepper. A little bit of cilantro, not a lot, just a bit. And since I have it, we're gonna add just a touch of the beer. Carry that theme over. Oh, look at that color, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Got this going. We're gonna get it pretty hot because we don't want to take forever to cook these things. I've got some mini calabrese buns. I'm going to throw them in the oven real quick, get them nice and warm. And yes, we're using butter for these guys as well. This won't take long. They're done. I'm gonna just take them off the heat, let the buns finish, and then come back and build this thing for you. Look at them steaming there. I've got that on for a reason. Just hang on. Gonna add a little bit of the mushroom to each one. I'm gonna put it on the bread side because I haven't. Let's put some. Oh my God, they smell so good. Wow. Yeah, let me cut one in half and show you. I'm gonna show you right here. Focus, look at that. Enough waiting. I'm like, from that little bit of crunch on the bun, that smoked red pepper sauce, the steak is super tender. Those mushrooms and onions have great flavor. That little bit of cheese on there, oh my, that works so well. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. You know what? I really wish you guys could smell this because, you know, I'm dying here smelling all this great food and it makes me so hungry. Go and try this. That red pepper sauce is fantastic. You can put that on anything. You saw how easy it is to do it yourself. If you don't have a smoker, cook them over charcoal and you're going to get a little bit of a different flavor, but it's still going to be a fantastic one. Use whatever steak you have. Just make a beautiful sandwich and enjoy it. Enjoy your food. Anyways, I'm going to go enjoy this off camera. And guys, thanks for watching and happy eating.